agriculture system with auto alerts to the mobile. Okay, ikkada enti ante this one is soil moisture sensor, relay and water motor. Okay, and it's microcontroller. This one is Bluetooth module. Okay, so first we need to turn on the long press on the Bluetooth icon. Okay, then search for the device. Okay, pair device. Then here HC05 will be appear. Okay, either you need to enter 0000 or 1234. Okay, 1234 I am entering that, and okay, so that our Bluetooth module will appear in the paired devices. Now we need to open the Arduino Bluetooth. We need to install the Arduino Bluetooth application in the Play Store and open that. Okay, next here in the middle icon we have the refresh. Okay, so that our Bluetooth device will be connected to this application. HC05 select. Okay, and here it will be connected. HC05 is connected. Now open the terminal. Okay, here it is showing. Okay, water is available, motor off. Okay, if there is no water in the field, now I am making it dry. Okay, as there is no water in the field, motor will get turned on and alerts will be appear in the application also. Okay, no water, motor on. If the water is available, automatically motor will get turned off, and here it will show like water available, motor off. In this way farmer can monitor the field status and automatically motor will be controlled automatically.